Hi friends, welcome to the Microsoft Word video lesson series. We are exploring various options and features of Microsoft Word 2016 online cloud-based version. So in this video lesson, we will be exploring view menu provided by Microsoft Word. What you can do with view menu, how you can view your document with various specification and differently. So click on to this view option where you will find these options. Now there are two ways you can view your document. One is in editing view and second one is reading view. In reading view you won't be able to edit this document. In reading mode you can just read your document. Currently I am in editing view. So now let's click on to this reading view and it will load my document in reading view. So now my document is in reading view. I cannot edit this document. I cannot insert content in this document. So in reading view you will find headers, footers and page numbers. To go back into editing mode, you can click on to this edit document button and click on to this edit in browser. It will get back you to your editing mode. From show panel you can see navigation pane from which you can find headings, you can find content and you can also replace content with some other content. We have already seen this option, how these options work, how you can find and replace content in your document. Now second one is headers and footers. We have also seen how to insert header and how to insert footer into our document. So you can also do it by clicking on to this header and footer option. I am just entering Mahatma Gandhi and in footer copyrights. So now these headers and footers will be applied to our whole document. Now let's see what it looks like in our reading mode. Here you can see header is added at the starting of the document and footer is added at the end of document. Likewise it is applied to all the pages of my document. So this is the use of headers and footers in Microsoft Word. Now let's see another options provided by Microsoft Word, which is zoom. If you want to see your complete document at the time of editing, then you can select the percentage of your zoom from here and click on to this OK button. So your document will be of size which you have set. So I am just clicking on to this 100%, so it will get back to 100% mode. This is the 100% size of your document. So this is the use of zoom. I am setting it to 75%. You can also set zoom in size from here. So this is about view menu. You can edit document, you can read your document, you can view navigations, headers and footers and your page in particular size. So this is view menu. Thank you very much.